Alright, today in chemistry we're going to talk about how to calculate molar mass, how many grams per 1 mole is in a substance. So what we're going to do first, use an example, this is calcium phosphate. So the first thing that we need to do to calculate molar mass is figure out which types of atoms we have in the compound and how many. So for example, if I look at calcium phosphate, the subscript 3 tells me that there's 3 calcium atoms. So for calcium, that's going to be 3 calcium atoms times the molar mass of calcium. If you refer to your periodic table, you'll find that each calcium mole weighs 40.08 grams, but we have that 3 times. Okay, when we do this out, we have 3 times 40.08. That's going to contribute 120.24 grams into the compound. Okay? Next we have a phosphate ion here, PO4. But we have to keep in mind that we have 2 of those. So we have to distribute this 2 to the 4 and to the 1, understood. So phosphorus, we have 2 phosphorus times its molar mass. And the periodic table says that phosphorus is 31 grams. Okay, so that's going to be 2 times 31, and that's going to contribute 62 grams to the total mass of the compound. And finally, our last atom here is oxygen. And within the compound, there's 2 times 4 is 8. So that's going to get us 8 oxygens, each one weighing in roughly around 16 grams. Okay, which is going to be 128 grams. Okay, to sort of backtrack here, 120.24 grams is from the calcium, 62 grams is from the phosphorus that make up the compound, and finally 128 grams is from the oxygen. So what we have to simply do here is add up these totals here. $120.24 plus 62 plus 128 grams. And that's going to get us in the ballpark of 310.24 grams. So we conclude at the end of this is that 1 mole of calcium phosphate is 310.24 grams. And that's how you calculate molar mass.